Welcome back, everybody. I'm back at my camp. It's Sunday, June 22nd, and I just got here. It's about 4:30. I just got here, and I haven't been in the tent yet. I'm sure it's hotter than hell in there because it was 28 degrees Celsius here today, and right now I'm sweating my ass off. So let's have a look. I haven't been in here yet. Everything is like I left it. A bit messy, but I gotta take this out. Take that out and just stick it right here for now. But yeah, it's quite messy and they're gonna have to clean up. But first I got to go out to the car again and get I got some firewood. I should get a chair out here. Crack open a beer or something. Because man, it is hot. Warm. And it's only supposed to go down to 22 Celsius tonight. Overnight. So it's going to be a good night out here tonight. I won't be needing a fire in the wood stove, that's for sure. But I'm going to go back to the car, and I need both hands because I got 2 bags of firewood. And so I'm going to let you guys, I'll bring you back. I'll see you in a bit. back. The sun is down behind the trees, so that's good. There's no sun shining in here. And it's not as hot as it was earlier. No mosquitoes because of the thermocell, but I'm still going to have to change that pad. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of that or not, but no, it's working. And this is the one I used last week, and it's a little tiny bit in the bottom. I can barely see it. It's below the empty line. Just below the empty line. I'm going to toss that in the fire tonight and get a big boom. Well, it's not going to be a big boom, but it'll be a boom. I don't know if you can hear the noise behind me. Some neighbors over there. They built a dirt track for their kids. And they're over there ripping around on a dirt bike, and it sounds like a quad. Or maybe it could be a side-by-side, but it sounds like a quad. Their property line is about 150 feet behind me. If there was a path through here, I'd walk over there and film what's going on. I wouldn't let them know I'm there. Just check it out for a few minutes. Stay hidden behind a bush or whatever. And check it out. Cheers, everybody. Did I say that? Cheers, everybody. It's not a whole lot to do when you're camping by yourself. I mean, what are you going to do? You're going to come out camping. You're going to cook some food. Start a fire. Cook some food. Drink some beer, listen to some tunes, birds are chirping. I don't hear any frogs yet though. So, I was about to say something, I lost my train of thought. Let me see. Oh, excuse me, I booked a plane ticket to Newfoundland. That's where I'm from, and I'm going back for a couple of weeks. I'll be there landing in Newfoundland at on August 21st. August 21st, and I'll be there for 2 weeks. I'll be leaving on September 4th. Oh, I got gas. So, yeah, it's going to be 2 weeks of, yes, bye, what are you at? I don't talk like that anymore. I don't know why. It's just I've been living here in Ontario for, what is it now, 18 years? And I've lost that Newfie accent, and I've gained the Ontario accent. I mean, it's not really that much different. It's just here in Ontario, they pronounce their THs and their whatever. Like a Newfie would say, what's that? DAT, which is, he means what's that. But I don't know, this Ontario accent rubbed off on me. what are you gonna do? Who cares? Well, my toilet paper is blowing in the wind. Blowing in the wind. No flies. That's the main thing. The grass is getting getting pretty long here. Not really grass, I don't suppose. I don't know. Let me show you this stuff. It's about a foot tall, or about a foot and a half tall. It's all the way around. I should go up and chop that stump out of the ground so Wayne can get his ride-on lawnmower down here. If you're wondering who Wayne is, he's the property owner here. I've been here on this property for 2 years now. I built my camp 2 years ago. And yeah, it's private property, 250 acres they have. They only use 100 acres for their horses. They have 17 horses. They're all rescue horses. They got the regular size horses, and they got mini horses. And I've met them all. There's one horse, it's a female, her name is Savannah. She's a rescue horse from Savannah, Georgia, believe it or not. And she was the first horse I met in the barn. All of the horses were in the barn on this day. You can check it out on my video. Yeah, I filmed it. It's a while back. Anyway, you can check it out. I forget the name of it, but yeah, as soon as the doors came open, I walked in, and the first horse I saw directly ahead was her. And Lori, it's Wayne and Lori that own this property. And Lori said, "This is Savannah." And I looked at Savannah, and I swear she was in love with me. Oh, it was a weird feeling. A horse. I guess she was just happy to see somebody else other than Lori and Wayne. But yeah, it was funny. There's a few black flies still flying around. There are no dragonflies. There were earlier, but not now. And there's no mosquitoes. See well, in Newfoundland, here they're called black flies. In Newfoundland, we call them stouts. So tonight, I have to eat. I'm going to roast a couple of jumbo hot dogs on the over the fire. This time I didn't forget the buns like I did last week. And I think I did the time before that too. But no, I definitely got buns this time. And I got some cheese and bacon. So it's going to be a bacon cheese dog, jumbo dog. Bacon cheese jumbo, jumbo dog with ketchup and Dijon mustard, the original stuff. Make my mouth water. It's cool little breeze, isn't that ever nice? I love it out here. Camping around this area of southeastern Ontario. I mean, there are campgrounds around, yes. You know, provincial campgrounds and private campgrounds. But they're so freaking expensive. And the closest crown land, which is public land, which is free land that you can camp on, and it don't cost you anything. But like I was about to say, the closest to me, crown land to me, is a 2-hour drive. I'm not driving 2 hours to camp on some crown land where there's other people or has been other people and left behind a crap load of garbage, because that's what they do. I've been out to Gull Lake. Like I said, it's a 2-hour drive from the city. And I've camped out there. And the first time I went out there, and the spot I picked, the fire pit was full of garbage. Tin cans, pop cans, beer cans in the fire. I mean, and they're burnt up. But, I mean, why would you throw a beer can or a pop can in the fire? It's not going to burn. Oh, well, so, you know, I only went back there a couple more times. And I did film them, so they are on my channel. Some birds flying by. Not sure what they were. I don't know. I think it's gonna be probably dark before I light a fire. Excuse me, because it's still freaking warm. Excuse me, and I don't need a fire to keep me warm, because I'm not cold. Oh my. I wasn't going to go collect any twigs or anything, but I think I will before I light the fire. I mean, I did chop up I had a bag of kindling there, and I took some out, and I made kindling out of kindling. I just chopped it down smaller so it'll catch faster, and then pile the bigger stuff on top once the smaller stuff is burning. I mean the bigger kindling on top. Haven't heard any coyotes out here tonight. It sounds like they give up with the quads and the freaking dirt bike. Giving Been at it for hours. Well, since I've been here anyway. I bought a bag of wood, but it's not a whole lot. But with that bag of firewood and the bag of kindling, I wasn't planning on burning the whole bag of kindling tonight, but why not? Get the fire going with the kindling, and when I'm out of kindling, throw on the big logs here. I still haven't taken that ripped up tarp off the roof yet. There's nothing left to it. But I'll take it off sooner or later. I'm a procrastinator. Leave me alone. I could get up right now and first I'm going to take down my Christmas lights. And after that, well, then I could just rip the rest of that tarp off. Wouldn't take very long. But that's okay. Supposed rain around, it's 20% chance of rain around 3 a.m. And this side of my roof here is leaky because the tarp on the roof was stapled, and that's where the rain is getting into. The other side is not like that. It wasn't stapled. So I don't have another tarp right here right now to put up there, cover that, so duct tape it is. I'm going to put some duct tape on the outside and then some duct tape on the inside. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. 6 staples there that I got to cover. I'm going to cover them on the inside too for double protection. $7:36, everybody. 7:36. What time should I light the fire? Should wait till around 8, I guess. I don't know. When I'm hungry, feel hungry, I think I'll light the fire. But for right now, I have to go take a pee, so I will see you in a bit. Alright everybody, I'm going to throw some, well, that's down to, let it burn down to some hot coals. That should be hot enough to cook my, I don't think I told you what I'm having tonight for a meal, but it's going to be bacon, cheese, hot dogs on the grill. That's what I'm having. So, let's do it. Let's get this done. You guys can watch from here. I think that should be good enough. Swing the grill. Got my swing away grill. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a grill over the fire pit now. I'm getting my hot dogs out. Can you hear that bird? It sounds like it's saying, works for me, works for me, works for me. All right. Let's see what I got here. Well, I got hot dogs, of course. I'm going to have to turn on the light brighter because, man, the mosquitoes are driving me nuts here, even though the vermicell is on there. Ah, there's one biting my leg and one biting my arm. But look at that, everybody. 2 hot dogs going on the grill. I hope it's hot enough there. I may have to throw some more kindling on the fire. Man, the flies are driving me nuts here. What's going on? If the thermocell is on there, and they're all over the place. Maybe if I sit down, they won't bother me. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to add some more kindling to that fire. I don't think that's hot enough to cook my hot dogs. Gotta get some heat in there. Let's see what happens. Got some bacon. 1 slice of bacon. 2 slices of bacon. Smoke in my eye. I had the light over there up on the brightest selection, and it brought mosquitoes around. So turn it down on the lowest selection there, the lowest brightness, and no more mosquitoes. Excuse me, what time is it here? It's 9:37. I hope my dogs don't take very long. Don't know if you can see that or not. Well, she should be cooking pretty soon. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Best hot dogs ever. Campfire hot dogs are the best hot dogs ever. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna tend to my hot dogs there on the grill, and I'll bring you back when they're done or just about done. I'll see you in a bit.